I'm not so awake. Today is December 24 here in Texas. And kakatapos ko lang maligo guys. Actually, nag-change na ako ng clothes. So Bill and I will be going to shop today. Last minute shopping. Kasi hindi na kami nakapag-shopping nung nakaraan for Christmas. Diba? Kami na talaga yung pinaka-last moment yung shopping. Pero yung mga kids guys, dinala na niya. Like, isa-isa sila. Yashli and Nicole. Like, Belle drove Yashli to Walmart, I guess, nung nakaraan. Nung may check-up siya sa kanyang elbow. And then Nicole yesterday. Hindi ko alam talaga kung ano yung mga binibili nila guys. Like, Belle says, he wanted it secret. Secret. First time namin gagawin to. Nabibigyan ng gift na hindi alam nung isa. Walang nakakaalam ba? Kasi nung nasa Pinas pa kami guys, si Bill lang yung bumibili ng gift. At ako. But here, yung mga bata bumibili na rin ng gift. Sila na rin nagra-wrap ng kanilang gift. And then, yeah, naglalagay ako ng konting kulay. Because I'm so pale. Hindi ko alam kung saan kami pupunta. Grabe na talaga yung ating bukton. I really don't know where we are going today. Kung anong store kami pupunta. But I'll bring you guys. Na-realize ko pala na yung Christmas pala, isi-celebrate pala siya 24 ng gabi. Akala ko bukas pa. Sabi ng asawa ko, kumising ka na. Kailangan mo ng kasi yung store ngayon magsasara. Well, okay, magsasara. So, nagkakape yung asawa ko na sa labas. Una yun gumising this morning guys. And then, una naligo. Sobrang late namin na tulog kagabi. Nag-watch kami ng Netflix. Tama, ayan. I just want a little color in my face. That's it. And then mag-lip balm tayo guys. Gagamitin ko itong Neutrogena lip balm na bili ko to sa H-E-B. Meron akong pinakita sa inyo nung nakaraan yung lip balm, diba na ano pangalan nun? Pero wala kasi yun kulay. This one, my tint. So, always ko rin tong dala. Just to color my lips. I'm not using lipstick anymore. I'll make my coffee first, okay? Or do we have to go now? Do we have to go now, or I still have time to make my own coffee? No more.
No, you got time.
Okay.
Probably.
Ano yun? Ano probably? Parang gaduha-duha. Guys, tomorrow pa may magluto, okay? So, kain ko karon. But, yeah, I'm just vlogging. Yung mga anak ko, nag-wrap na sila ng gift. Si Nicole nag-wrap yesterday, si Ashley nag-wrap yesterday, pero si Ashley, bumili sila ng gift nung nakaraan. Tingnan nyo. Look. Yan yung mga ni-wrap nila na gift. Like, they always say sorry because they are telling me na they are not so good at wrapping. Hindi ko alam kung sino nag-wrap nito. But I told them that it's alright. Kasi effort counts. Hindi naman it's not all about the wrapper, how you wrap and everything. The effort ba? See how nice it is here in the house even if we are not switching on lights. So, meron kaming natural light coming in. May natural light na pumapasok sa bahay. So, we don't need to like nag-on ng light all the time. Kasi nung sa duplex pa kami guys, yung lights namin sa duplex ay laging naka-on. Piniloopan ako na butang. Alright. Coffee lang tayo and then let's go after. What about her?
Which one is crazy, Nicole? Mama or me? See? No hesitation.
Thank you. That's the best compliment ever.
That's why I married you.
That's why the house is more fun with me because I'm so noisy.
Ako 11 hours of sleep.
Did you sleep 11 hours?
Oh.
Wow.
Wow.
Congratulations. Let's go na, babe. Bye, Kali. Ay, also, like, can you, like, sweep the floor and feed the dog, okay? And who will put away the dishes today? Please work on that. Okay? Oh, do you mean daghan kayo? That's a little, that's very less. Come on, guys. Bye. We'll go. Please feed your sister as well, okay? House is here. So nice. Like, really nice.
Yeah, not many people living here in this section yet, but
Not yet.
I would bet within the next
Month?
probably within the next couple of months,
Yeah,
most of these houses will have people.
I'm sure. Ganda nga ng
Because once
subdivision
these
natin.
homes are finished, they're trying to get them sold.
Yeah.
I think that was part of the reason that we got a good deal on our house, was because they'd been on the market for a while.
Yeah, but we're lucky we got that one. Honestly, that's the best.
Yeah, of all the homes we looked at, that was the best.
The best house. Guys, we are in College Station. So we'll be going to Hobby Lobby first to see what they have and what we can buy for the kids. Ang babait ng mga driver dito, no? They're letting you in. Hobby Lobby people. Dito kami nung nakaraan. This will be my 4th times, I guess. Where are we going? Here, Hobby Lobby. Oh, there's another entrance here. Wow, rocking chair. This is nice for the patio.
Yeah.
Ang dami pong nabibili here sa Hobby Lobby. Kaya gustong-gusto ko tong Hobby Lobby talaga. Kasi may mga nabibili kang mga ganyan, guys, mga wall decorations. So magsha-shopping lang kami for kids, but actually I don't know, maybe we can buy something for the house as well. Wow, that's so nice.
What does it say?
When words fail, music speaks.
Speak.
Wow.
Yeah.
Reduce. That's a nice piece. Maganda dito. Hala, naday sila mga balig. Is this damaged or it's just like
No,
that's style? Okay. Okay, let's buy na for the kids. Some kind of my favorite place. Hindi ko alam yung kids kasi may obsession sila sa drawing art ba, guys. So binili na. Yan na yun. That's it.
So
What size is this?
it's
How can we, like, if they wanted to hang it?
it's basically 46 by 61 centimeters. What's that?
Oh,
18
this
by
is-
24 inches.
Oh, really?
And each one of these packs has 3 boards.
Yeah, how can you hang it? Like, you have to add something on the back.
Yeah, you would have to, once it's finished painting, then you would have to get a frame for it.
Hala, kani mo na ako mga gusto. Oh, this one would be nice in the, kay mag-paint lang ko yung...
Well, this one's already, looks like it's
Canvas,
already,
yeah.
it's already mounted.
And it's already, like, framed.
Yeah, these are canvas panels. Those are canvas. Those are canvases. These are panels. But the panels are less.
Of course, because it's just...
Ow. What's this? Ow.
Hala, wow, I wanted to do this. Gusto ko lang bumili. Are we buying for kids or are we buying for me?
I don't know. You tell me.
Sabi ko kasi balik na naman ako mag-art. I wanted to like paint again because it's been a long time. A lot of like my subscriber told me like paint again, Jenny, paint again. But I really like yung time natin and everything. But you know, when I saw those videos in YouTube like girl painting, and I was like, oh, I wanna do that again. But this is a very expensive hobby because painting, canvas are expensive, honestly. So mahal po mag-paint, ha? That's why hats off sa mga painters because they're so very creative at the same time. Grabe yung gastos nila when it comes to painting, I'm telling you. Yung obsession ng mga kids kasi guys, they really wanted to paint. Nicole told me yesterday when she done wrapping presents, she says like, oh, I really wanted to paint. And she showed me this painting that she was only using a color, watercolor, and she was like, I wanted to paint. So I think it's giving them a present like this is good for their best interest. Like if they wanted to improve their artwork, why not, diba? And he's very supportive. So kailangan lang natin something na i-give kasi before we were like thinking, oh, buying them toys and everything, but now that they are big, they need something that will help them, diba? Like a present that could help them with their potentials, encourage them. Yeah. It's worth buying, but bisag mahal.
Wow.
Oh, this one is for like lip potda.
Yeah. But,
why not get the one that's just a wood?
well, we can do that. You can get this traditional easel. Yeah. You have to put it together.
You know what? They can paint in the patio outside. Yeah.
Well, about painting outside.
How will you wrap that? Hindi mo na yan ma-wrap. Just give it away. My daughter yesterday, when she put all Yashli was saying sorry when she's putting the present under the Christmas tree kasi sabi niya, I'm so bad at wrapping. And I was like, that's okay. You're my daughter. We're the same. I'm not really good at wrapping. So, pag bibili ng mga ganitong item, ay hindi ko alam kung paano yan i-wrap, guys. So, anyway, Bella and I were talking about, wala na kaming present sa isa't isa, guys. Just so you know, we're just doing this for the kids. Wala na kaming gift kasi binibili naman
We
namin.
can do
What?
a stretched canvas instead of panels, but they're both canvas.
Ah,
But
it's expensive.
this is like, here's one that's already stretched.
Yeah, but that's so expensive. Ang ganda nito, oh. Family is everything. Maganda siya ilagay sa wall, guys. Pero maliit kasi.
Okay, we're done.
Are we done? You're not.
What? How much more do they need?
Oh, you're done. I'm not done. I'm not done looking. Tingnan mo, you look so nice. Wow.
What? You can't make one of those?
I can make one of these.
Okay.
Is this real painting?
We got an extra canvas for
Wow. Ito yung mga hinahanap ko. Kasi yung malaki ba, ganito ba kalap? Ay, ano to? Yung length niya, ganito yung mga gusto ko, guys. Pero $40 man kaayo. Uy, mag-paint na lang ako. Wow.
That's the sketch that I showed her yesterday.
Nicole?
Nicole, and she said, yeah, hands are really hard. And I said,
No.
Get it down.
Yashli can do this.
Can she?
Yeah, I'm sure. You're gonna show her this, she will like create it.
Wow, I showed Nicole that.
Yeah. Oh, this is really nice. Wow.
They're both
And
really
they're
good.
selling it for $40. Oh my
But
goodness.
what's interesting,
What?
I've seen Yashli like take one of those drawing books I've gotten them, and then she goes and draws that.
Yeah. She
It
did.
looks good.
Yep. Yung mga anak ko kasi creative talaga yung mga anak ko. That's why we are encouraging them
Do really well.
to like create more kasi it's good for them. And I am like this before. I like painting, drawing, but then I stopped. Wala akong pera noon. But now that we can get them something for whatever they need, so it's really good for them. Wow! Nice kayo. Oh! Mahalap kaya ni Babe. Uy! This is expensive. Okay, fine. That's why we're not gonna buy for ourselves. we're not gonna buy for ourselves na kaya that's for the girls. I told you. Marami mga buang nga. Di na ta mag-gift sa to kagalingon, babe. Oy, kaya we're old naman. Well, we buy what we needed naman. So, anytime, binibili naman namin yung kailangan namin. So, Christmas is for kids talaga, not for us. Yep. Yeah, that's nice. So, you have the even, like, maganda to. Wow. Very minimalist nga yan. Mahal naman. Ay, $25. Yeah, nice. 1, 2, 24 pieces. Cool. Ang dami nabibili dito, guys. This one, spices as well.
$9.
How many? Is that glass?
Well, there's no. I'm sure it is based on the weight.
This one is glass but nipis. Wow, $8.
But I don't know that we need.
Well,
you know what you do is, well, I don't know.
we don't. I was like, it's not really practical. I mean, we buy spices in the store and we just use its own jar. But if you wanted to like have the same faces, the same jars, well, you can buy. But I don't think it's necessary. Here, I love Hobby Lobby. Diba Hobby Lobby? I think Hobby Lobby is now my favorite store. Ito yung mga nakikita ko minimalist ba sa YouTube. Magkano to? O, diba? What I always do, guys, when I go shop, I always look on the price. Pinay na pinay pa rin talaga, no? Nagtitingin-tingin sa sa price. There are many pang reward ng dog here. Dog rewards, like dog snacks. Binilhan ko na kasi si Kali nung nagpunta kaming Walmart. This one, oh. This is actually, I think this is cheaper than what I've got in Walmart. That's $6 only. Oh, ito. Wala na yung asawa ko. Asa na yun? So we are done in Hobby Lobby. Oh my gosh. Being in Hobby Lobby, it's really nice. Gustong-gusto ko tong Hobby Lobby. They have everything you need and wants for your home. And if you wanted to buy some presents, gifts for loved ones, they have everything. So now we are heading to Noble, ano ba yung sinabi ni Belle? Like parang bookstore somewhere. Kasi bibilhan namin ng book yung niece niya. Because tomorrow, like I said, it's totally different here because hindi nga ganun ka-happy talaga yung Pasko dito, guys. Hindi ganun ka-jolly. Like, compared yun naman sa Pinas, lagi ko itong like, this is the first Christmas na parang mingaw. Okay, dili siya lingaw here. I mean, like, yeah, they have like gift, blah blah, but it's totally different from ours in the Philippines, I would say. But we're here. Anyway, Noble, ano bang tawag nun? Pupunta kami. So, like, tomorrow, like sister niya, niece niya, and then mom niya. So, we get together tomorrow for dinner.
What's that?
Where are we going? Noble?
Barnes and Noble.
Barnes and Noble.
Well, no, let's go to Barnes and Noble first.
Yeah, because if we're gonna get some
because
food,
we might buy stuff that's cold.
Oo nga, I forgot to bring them on the bag. We're getting gas dito. Diretso kaming Sam's, guys. Yung plano niya kanina na pa-Noble, ano yung sinabi niya kanina, yung sa bookstore, ay hindi namin napuntahan kaya nakalimutan niya. Diretso na kaming Sam's. Sabi niya patay. Well, nandito na kami, so we'll just grab whatever we need here. Bibili kami ng food for tomorrow. Actually, marami na kaming food sa bahay. But then, merong mga nakikita dito na masasarap ba? Like, I don't have to like cook a lot. Kasi isa lang ako. I'm the only one. So, kailangan ko yun na, you know, like, I need to breathe for tomorrow. So, hindi ko kailangan gumawa ng maraming food. Lagi na kami dito nag-grocery. Well, we always pag mga bulky stuffs, dito kami nagpupunta. I can smell something. A cake. Like a bread. Oh my god. I'm sure we can get one. Carrot cake as well. I love carrot cake.
You really?
Yeah, I eat them.
Go get a carrot cake.
We can get one.
Get this one.
What's the difference with that one and this one?
Oh.
It's the same.
19 a.m. this morning.
Wow, so fresh. This one, the girls would be happy to get this one. This just looks so very nice.
Why? You want to get cupcakes too?
No. I mean, I'm looking at that. I'm like, kids would be happy to get.
Fresh fruit cheesecake.
Wow.
This is this tiramisu.
This one is tiramisu as well, I guess. This one.
That's
On the under?
$19.
Yeah, I know.
Turtles and cookies and cream.
This one is nice too. Ilang mga pandere guys. Fresh kaayo ilang mga pandere. We just got the carrot cake which is baked this morning. Wow. Is that fresh? Murag lami nilang pan. This one looks good. Just today? Wow. Ano kay bread? Grabe lang bread section diri guys. There you go, bread. All bread here. Wow. They don't have this before. Oh my gosh.
This is tuna.
Yes. We have this in the Philippines and this is the fish that I look.
Tuna, right?
No, I don't like. I mean, like, oh my gosh! This is the only fish that I get.
Looking at $20 for 4 tuna.
I know. Nanong mahal mga siya. Is that for me? Is that for me? No, it's not. Is that for me? It's not for me. Oh, okay. Maybe I'll get more. Bibili na kami ng mga chocolates para ilagay namin sa stocking. Hindi ko alam itong isa. Ito favorite ni Nicole to, Nerds. Yan yung gustong-gusto niya. Lagi. Hindi ko alam kung anong laman ito. What? So we just have to buy bags of which one? Well, they don't like that one. I'm not sure if they would like that one. Kung na kami kain ng chocolate nito, guys, ambot na lang. That one, para mapuno. Yeah, good luck. They're gonna give it to their friends. You cannot eat it all. That's not healthy. Well, chocolates are not healthy. Get something that they can eat. Red velvet. You do. How about this one? I'm sure they would like. Yeah.
There's Skittles in it.
Yeah. They would like that one. How about this one? We are home. Kapoy ko, guys. So, binili ko na guys, yung ano guys. Yung sa pizza ba? The pizza. Oh, perfect. Makain niya itong kuan. Kasi every time na nagluluto kami ng pizza, kinakamay ko lang pag gano'n ba? Hindi kinakamay. May ginagamit ko yung ano, but it's better to have like this. So when the pizza is ready to eat, yun lang. O, diba? Nice kayo siya. Pwede nga pang-decor ito sa kitchen. And then, I got this one as well. A platter for pizza. This is so cute. I think pinapakita ko na ito kanina. But we got it. Kasi, like, tuyo ko siya. Para, ito. Oh, guys. Pakita ko sa inyo, guys. Tadaan! Tadaan! See? Tadaan! That's so nice, diba? And, mga binili namin ng food, nilagay na ni Bel sa aming ang tawag dito sa aming refrigerator. And then, bumili ako ng prutas. Asa mga watermelon ko? Nilagay na ba nila yung watermelon? Nilagay na ako yung watermelon ko. Yung hindi pa ako ng bedroom, guys. Hindi ko pa na-fix yung bedroom kasi umalis kami kanina, nagmamadali kami. So, mamaya na yan. Lilinisin ko yung bed natin. Mamaya na yan. Unahin ko muna to. They're busy. So, maybe I should like take it out.
What?
They're busy.
They're what?
They are busy.
Doing what?
I don't know. They are busy. So, I can just take it here and like wrap it.
That's entirely up to you.
Kakain muna ako, guys. No, nagutom ako eh. Mamaya ko na yun i-wrap, guys. But yeah, I'm going to eat. Paskong Pasko ngayon sa Pinas, I'm sure. Like, Yung mga kaibigan ko nagme-message na sa akin ng Merry Christmas. Ay, hindi pa Pasko dito, guys. But, gutom ko. Gutom ko, guys. Promise. I'm gonna eat. I'm gonna eat. Ang kaon na rin pa. Nga ano kaya uog ko yung basa ayan. Kaon siya po kayo. Gutom siya po guys. Bahala mo. Oops. Oh, wait, there's one. Nagutom. Nagutom talaga ako. I wanted to eat. Bala, maglilinis ako mamaya sa bedroom. Linisin muna natin yung bedroom bago ako mag-wrap. Okay. Guys. It's not really normal for me na like I'll let the bedroom, when we were moving here, I always like fix the bedroom. I always make the bedroom when I get up. But then today, kasi nagmamadali kami, hindi ko na siya nalinis. Hindi ko siya na ano. But we'll do that. Daming bread na binili ng asawa ko. Hindi ko alam kung magpamanyanita man ata ang akong bana. Tinawa ragod niyo. Kapi na ko lang. Ma'am Joris, lamig kayo maganda mo sa Ma'am Joris. I'm telling you. Ay! Naapamantik ko yung saging sabah. Cute kaayo. Guys. So, napagod na ako. I mean, like, I'm wrapping. Some Christmas gifts that we have to put under the Christmas tree. Hindi pa kami tapos ni Bill. My gosh, babalik pa kami sa store kasi may bibilin pa kami, guys. Umuwi kami kasi nagutom ako. Well, actually, pwede naman kami kumain doon. But, Nung nasa Sam's kasi kami guys, may binili kami pagkain. May food and meron kaming frozen things. So, kailangan namin iuwi ng bahay. So, sabi ko, uwi tayong bahay. And then, yung isa, naglalaro ng kanyang game. Yung solitaire niya, guys. So, while waiting, mag-ano na lang ako. Diba? Magbabox. Tapos, after this, we will be going back to store. Kasi kailangan pa namin bilhan yung niece niya ng gift. Hindi namin nabilhan kanina kasi nga nadiretso kami sa Sam's, but it's okay, we're gonna get it. Ay murag taas na kain siya putla, hindi putla. Tapos yung nakakaano pa guys, ako lahat nag-wrap for kids gift. And then well, like I said guys, hindi na kami nag-gift ni Bill. May binili ako sa kanya pero he needs it. Hindi na ako bumili ng gift for him kasi like for example, yung kailangan niya talaga, bumili siya ng bagong phone by the way. And sinabi niya sa akin na whatever he need, whatever he likes, he will buy. So ako na I cannot think of what to get him. But meron akong binili sa kanya. It was just a simple thing na kailangan din niya. But he told me many times na huwag na akong mag-abalang bumili kasi kung may gusto naman siya nabibili naman. At same naman kami guys. We are really the same. Kasi ako, even me, hindi ko na rin kailangan ng gift. Kasi kung gusto ko yung something na pwede ko namang mabili, binibili ko naman siya online. Nagsha-shopping po ako online. So, meron akong monthly shopping na ginagawa. So, hindi ko talaga kailangan ng regalo. Honestly. Wait. Ay, salamat. Naputos na yun. I'm done. Oh, wow. Ay, maigot ba eh. Ang pati pagutang. We're gonna arrange it. So, malagay natin yung iba. Kasi meron pa tayong mga ibang gift here. And Uy, pahayang-hayang raman ni. Daddy and I will be going out again.
Palit mo gift?
We will be going out again. Nami kuhaon sa mailbox. O sa post. Okay? Or Shasley. Nami kuhaon ni Daddy sa mailbox. O sa post ba?
Oh.
Okay? Stay here. Kailangan talaga namin bumili ng bagong mga flowers. Tingnan nyo. Flowers here. Oh, namatay naman eh. Look, palitan natin yan ng bago. Matinon siya tungod sa kabugnaw ba? And then, yung mga roses natin dyan, namatay po. Kailangan natin palitan. Bibili tayo ng plants after holiday. Yan yung magiging project natin. This one here. Yung mga sagbot na nubo. Here. Here. Ang cute nung display nung dito, isa sa bahay dito guys. Nag-stop over kami sa mailbox. May kukunin ako kasi may delivery ako from Shein today. Hey, last na ata yan na order this year. We are in Barnes and Noble. You found something? She likes all of this, like this one.
I'm mind-boggled. It's like I'm looking at books that I have in my collection that I paid like $2 or $3 for, and they're like $25,
yeah,
$26. That's
expensive.
why everybody does ebooks now.
Because this is way expensive. I'm sure. They have so many books in here. Like for people who loves reading books. Oh gosh, they have so much like options everywhere. We just wanted to buy her niece books for Christmas present. Kasi yun yung gustong-gusto magbasa ng niece niya kasi. Dami nila. Hasta magbasin. Daghan kayo. Mayan ni. Abat! Abat guys. Tapusin natin to. We are home already. So nagpunta kaming anong pangalan na? Nakalimutan ko na. Barnes Noble. Tama ba yun? And then half price books. Tama ba yan? And then we went back to Hobby Lobby today. Anyway. Kisay kaputan eh? Ipaputan na ni grandma dire? Tane? Okay. Mag-arrange ta guys. I'm gonna arrange this again kay it was not arranged properly. Kaya yung mga bata, nilagay nila yung mga gift nila guys. Ano lang ba gina? Ano lang gina dito? So, let's try to do this again. Kuratan man Yasli, oy? Isa ka po to saan eh? Yasli, mama. Kanawa pinustan, mura ga putos o kanang kuan bulan. Katawa na niya. Anyway, ngalan. To Grandma Nicole. Wala pa na ako regisulatan. Kani Yashli Amber. Sister Yashli. Ang arrange na ito, wala na arrange taro. Amber, sister.
Amber, yun.
Kangkali. Dito pang-arrange namin ito, guys.
Sabaw sila eh.
Nicole, Yashli. Ito isa. May gaputos, diari o murag gaputos o kanon kuan. Nicole, gaputos sa iba, klaros, Yashli. Tumama from Yashli. Nawag iputos. Bantog na kay mingon siya na. Ala, kung pinustan, bati kayo. Nagkalat yung mga gift. Kapoy ko, I'm really tired. Oh my gosh. Arrange na guys. Curiously. Kasi, kailangan ko siya i-arrange. Napaisa mo. Sa may papira, may gibutang noon. Ano ba yan, uy? Ginutang. Ano, lapis, may hindi pang butang.
Hindi ay.
Ano? Ano ba yan?
Ano ba yung wrapping mama?
Ha? Hindot ko yung wrapping. Oh my gosh. Tanawa. Yan na guys.